Okay, guys, so right now we're going to begin.
For the past couple of days, we were brainstorming on how we could promote school spirit. So me and Ms. Sanchez got together and some of the other teachers and the principal, and we decided to do a mum.
The first thing you're going to start with, you have your circle.
I wanted to come because I wanted to make this mum and I wanted to see how to make the mum and be with my friends.
We had a lot of material and we're basically just stapling them to this like circle with a hole in it, and we're just basically stapling around it.
You know, homecoming is a big thing for students. Mums is a traditional thing for homecoming. So it's a great thing for students to create their own mums and be creative.
So you'll put one down the middle.
Now I know how I can make these, and I can make even bigger ones, and now at least I have experience to make them.
It just gives us like an outlet where we can be free from all the stress that we endure during our school hours.